L-shaped living and dining area, and this is the part, basically an open kitchen over here with, have a look with the wooden flooring inside the bedroom. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be doing the 3.5 BHK sample flight tour of Sattva Aranya, which is located right here opposite to Jnana Bharati metro station on Mysore Road in Bangalore. And this project is developed by Sattva Group. Now, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So basically, I'm standing on the main entrance and the exit of the project. So this will be the main entrance and exit of the project. And once you enter from here, on your right hand side will be the marketing office over this side. And the land parcel starts from here itself. So basically, this is the land parcel where the construction work is in progress. Now about the neighborhood. So let me show you that this is the Jnana Bharati metro station and the Mysore Road. Now I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So the project is spread across 6 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 iconic towers with 3 basement ground plus 30 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like of, here's the half basketball court, multi-purpose court, kids play area, cricket pitch, garden area, swimming pool, clubhouse and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and as mentioned, this project is located on Mysore Road opposite to Jnana Bharati metro station in Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Mysore Road, and just behind me is the Jnana Bharati metro station, and this Mysore Road on this side will take you towards Kengeri. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Bangalore University in just 8 minutes of the project. Sri Rajarajeshwari Temple is again in 8 minutes. And even you can connect to Rajarajeshwari Medical College in 16 minutes of drive from the location. So now the wait is over, and this is your 3.5 BHK model flat of 2,529 square feet super built up area. So here will be the main entrance of your beautiful house. But before that, let me show you that the 0.5 room has a separate access. So once you enter, you can have a look at the space with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And this room you can use it in a multi-purpose way, which has attached washroom as well with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now this is the main entrance, and once you enter from the main entrance, they have not provided direct living or the dining area. Here's a foyer area for your privacy purpose. You can add up your shoe rack over here. And once you enter, let me show you, on my left hand side is the guest room, the bedroom number 1. So once you enter inside, this is your spacious bedroom number 1 with wooden flooring, a huge bed space over here, and here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. The TV unit space, which is right over here, the wardrobe space and attached washroom as well. Attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Once you step outside, over here is your powder room. So just over this side, with anti-skid flooring and sink provided inside the washroom itself. Now about your living and the dining area. So this is your L-shaped living and dining area, and this is the part of your living area where you can have a look at this beautiful cozy interior work done for your reference, where you can add up your sofa set, your couch in front of this TV unit space, and it has a beautiful balcony connected. And you can have a look at this connecting balcony with wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing which gives you perfect view of your city. And you can have a look at the interior and the couch which is placed here. Moving further towards your dining area, and you can have a look. Here is your huge dining table which is placed exactly in front of the kitchen area. And wait a second, what is here? So here is exactly your balcony. So you can have a look that you'll be getting a parallel balconies over here, giving you perfect ventilation and lighting inside your living and the dining area. Now about your kitchen area. So moving inside the kitchen, which is basically an open kitchen over here with a platform. So you can have a look at the serving platform, the platform inside over here, the dry balcony which is enclosed over here, a window again for ventilation and lighting purpose, sink placed over the side, cabinets, and a perfect interior. Now let's move further towards your another bedrooms. So your two bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So your master bedroom and the kids bedroom right over here. Let's move further towards your kids bedroom. And once you enter, here is the wooden flooring again. And this side is your bedroom space with a bed space, the study table, a cross window for cross ventilation, and a perfect balcony. Here's a balcony with wooden finishing anti-skid tiles, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will give you perfect view. Isn't it much more spacious, right? The bed space over here. And now about the wardrobe. So the wardrobe is right over here with a walk-in wardrobe concept. Attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now about the master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location too, with some sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's move inside the master bedroom. So here again, once you step inside, you can have a look with the wooden flooring inside the bedroom. Here's a bed space. And about this beautiful balcony as well. So here's a balcony. Let me show you and take you inside the balcony. And here's a perfect balcony with wooden finishing anti-skid tiles, toughened glass railing, and here's a cozy space. About the wardrobe as well, but before that let me show you this space. You can add up your work table or else use it in a multi-purpose way. Here's a cross window for cross ventilation as well. And now about the wardrobe, and here's the walk-in wardrobe concept for y'all with attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Satwa Group's project. Have you checked another project with Satwa Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.